First Solar established new facilities in Alabama and Louisiana. These strategic moves align with the rapid shifts within the U.S. solar sector and reflect the company's intent to capitalize on domestic demand for future revenue growth, despite recent market volatility. fuboTV plans to release its financial results for Q1 2025 before the market opens on May 2, 2025. Following the release, CEO David Gandler and CFO John Jannetis will host a conference call to review the results and provide an outlook update. GEVO and Future Energy Global, FEG, have signed an offtake agreement for carbon abatement attributes, allowing airlines and other companies to reduce their CO2 emissions through sustainable aviation fuel, SAF. FEG will acquire Scope 1 and Scope 3 emissions credits from 10 million gallons per year of fuel produced at GEVO's alcohol-to-jet SAF production facility. The deal is expected to help finance the construction of the ATJ-60 facility, which is set to produce 60 million gallons of SAF annually at similar production costs to conventional jet fuel with far lower carbon emissions. This agreement forms part of FEG's business model designed to bring together investors, suppliers, and buyers in order to accelerate and scale SAF production globally. Elsewhere, GEVO subsidiary Verity Holdings partnered with Minnesota Soybean Processors, MNSP, to implement Verity's proprietary track and trace software. This partnership aims to increase value for MNSP through export premiums while streamlining compliance reporting and auditability. By leveraging Verity's advanced data verification and supply chain transparency solutions, MNSP can ensure that sustainably grown soybeans translate into real value for farmers, processors, and international buyers. The collaboration reinforces both companies' commitment to expanding opportunities in international markets for sustainably certified products, such as those derived from regeneratively grown soybeans. Globalstar announced the appointment of Dr. Tamer Kadus and Daman Hejmati as Vice President and General Manager for their terrestrial spectrum and network solutions business and wholesale satellite capacity business, respectively. The terrestrial business aims to provide private wireless network solutions utilizing Globalstar's XCOM RAN and Band N53 assets, while the wholesale satellite capacity business seeks to broaden access to Globalstar's satellite solutions through strategic partnerships. Instacart has partnered with Dierbergs Markets, a family-owned grocer in the St. Louis region, to provide delivery services across Greater St. Louis and the Lake of the Ozarks. Additionally, Dierbergs is implementing Instacart's electronic shelf label technology, Carrot Tags, which will help gig workers locate items for fulfilling online orders. Instacart will release its first quarter 2025 financial results after market close on May 1st, with a conference call to discuss the results held at 2 p.m. Pacific Time on the same day. For more on Instacart and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.